Ivana, I think we should eat here. Look. Matches your dress, no?
Ah.
Looking very fancy. What do they serve, you think? Looks like Chinese food.
Chinese food, I think. It says Chinese fondue.
Chinese fondue?
Fondue?
Dude, Bukit Bintang is the best place to stay.
Yeah.
Walk around Bukit Bintang, look at this place. Just the front door, I'm like, we should eat here.
I think it's a hot pot place.
Hot pot.
Yeah.
I know what that is. Okay, hot pot.
Wanna try?
Wanna go?
Okay.
Ready. Whoa, what a find, Ivana. Whoa. And by the way, guys, we're on like the 4th floor. This place is awesome. Hello.
Hi.
Hello, thank you. Wow. We got our own little private room. We got a desk. We can close the door. We can close the blinds, I think.
They also have their like private individual seats out there with tables.
We are really doing it today. Look at this place.
I feel like we're in China.
I feel like I'm in a different country. This is amazing. We got the door closed over here. We got the AC pumping. When they start telling us what they have, I'm like, go for the best. This is awesome. This is a once in a lifetime place. Xiao Long Kan.
It smells good. I can smell like the broth.
It smells fresh in here. Wow. Awesome, man. Okay, so waitress just came and helped us with the menu because we could not, quite frankly, handle it. So what did we just learn? Each food item has a time beside it for how long we're gonna cook it in the hot pot, which will be here.
Right.
So we'll cook the things ourselves. She also ticked off the things we're gonna get. She really helped us out. Amazing. Someone's coming.
Look at this.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, there you have it.
That's the mushroom, tomato, and the mala.
Yeah, they
So
okay, you're
actually,
right.
this one I think is from the beef broth, beef butter. It's fresh, so they don't reuse
it smells
the broth.
so good.
Oh,
Wow.
interesting. What is all this Chinese fruits or something? Dried
Ooh,
fruits?
something interesting in there. Spices or something.
Yeah.
And then this is the tomato one.
Right.
This is the mushroom one.
Right.
And this is the beef one that's spicy with, look
Yeah.
at the beef broth. Oh my
So
gosh,
that is
Ivana.
called the mala.
Aren't you glad to be here, Ivana?
Mala beef.
Ivana, happy birthday, okay?
Look at all this food, guys. We went all out today, including this 1 meter beef, which was chef recommended, as well as this very spooky but also very delicious seafood platter on a dragon boat. Just a mesmerizing amount of food. It looks good, it smells good, and we also had one specialty item, which is the duck intestine in the ice bowl. Yes, that's an ice bowl.
Sure, it's so good. First time trying pork intestine. First time trying a hot pot. Come on. Oh, it's crunchy.
Oh, crunchy. Wow.
It's got a slippery crunch to it. It's quite good, Ivana.
Oh, it's good. You like it? Wow. First time trying duck intestine.
It's got a slippery crunch. It's nice. So what do we learn from all the helpful staff? One, this oil in here is all brand new for each customer. They were very clear, a lot of places reuse it, which is kind of gross. So 100% clean here.
And also the mala broth itself, it's very traditional from Chengdu. And I heard that there are over like 100 different spices that goes into the broth. And it's good for your circulation and it's good for an anti-aging food.
Tell me if I'm doing this right. I just put this in here.
Yeah. A little bit more maybe.
Oh man. So this sauce is sesame seed oil, garlic, coriander, onion, and chilies. And it cools off the spicy flavor and it makes it so good.
Look at this.
Oh, look at that. Eat it, babe. You're gonna love it. I can taste it. I can taste it spiritually through you. So good, right? Oh, that's the idea.
Yeah, so you don't
lose it.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Look at that. I think it's ready.
Oh, look how good that looks. Oh my goodness. Let me get a close up of that. Oh, look at it. On a bed of spices. Oh my god. It's better than the beef.
Wow.
Oh, it's so soft. You don't even have to chew it. Oh, it's so good. I'm not even sure it needs the sesame seed oil. I think right from that beef butter. Oh, the fish is so good. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this matzele style.
Cheers.
That's matzele style right there. Perfectly cooked, no? That beef butter Oh, good, man. Wow.
Nice.
Okay, bottoms up. Oh, man. Oh, man, it's so good, Ivana. You can tell they take pride in the quality and that the broth is fresh and the ingredients are fresh. All right, Ivana, favorite part of the hot pot?
Favorite part? Oh, they're also good. It's the best seafood I've ever had anywhere.
Do you know what my favorite part was?
What?
Just spending quality time with you.
Oh.
But before that, the 1 meter beef.
Oh, the beef?
The 1 meter
Really
beef was
good.
amazing. Coriander meatballs were a surprise.
The shrimp paste was a
The
surprise.
shrimp
too.
paste was out of this world good. The little squid was amazing. The actual fish pieces were really good.
Yeah.
I mean, all of the
everything
meat was
is
really,
good.
really good. All the vegetables are really fresh. The little corns were nice. Everything was really good here. Bukit
That's
Bintang.
true.
What a find here.
Mm-hmm.
What a find. Loving this place.
So good.
All right, more to eat. Come on, you hungry or what?
Oh. All right.
This is, let me see. This is bamboo, no?
Yeah.
Young bamboo.
Ooh, the brown sugar is so
Looks
sticky.
good, no? Oh, good.
Mhm.
That's really sweet.
So they said the veggie is best with the tomato or the mushroom.
So try both.
The mala is for the meat.
Mala is for the meat.
Let's go.
Ivana's in food heaven. Starch noodle, freshly cooked.
Look how clear it is. Mmm.
As is. Awesome. What do we have here? These are the shrimp paste. They could have been a little prettier. We could have made balls out of them, but these are just kind of shrimp blobs. Do the mezzale style here. Oh, it's really good, Ivana.
Good?
Wow, it's really good. It's so delicious. The texture of it is so healthy and good.
Oh,
It tastes like, oh, it's really good, Ivana. You thought I was joking? The shrimp paste is amazing. It's almost better than the shrimp. It's amazing. I told you. You thought I was joking.
What? So good.
So good. Look at all this food, guys. What a day. What a great memory. What fun we're having. Hanging out, joking around, cooking stuff. The people who work here are so incredible. They're trying to invite us to go meet the head chef, but he's apparently obviously really busy, but also he's like really strict on SOP, so we couldn't go anywhere near the kitchen. Also, he doesn't speak English at all. But such nice people working here. They're like, come meet the chef. They told me his name's like a famous chef, amazing chef. Loving this place right now. Ivana, honest question. What is this? Let me guess. Can I take a spoon and see what it jiggles, or what is it? Oh, I thought it was melting ice. I was like, we need to eat this now, it's melting. No, this is
ice jelly.
It is ice.
Ice jelly. It's not ice.
It's ice jelly, not ice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fake ice.
Ooh.
Interesting. It's a dessert.
Yeah.
Raisins and
Try.
nuts and jelly. It's probably
Raisins
really
and
good.
nuts. It's just cooling after all the hot spicy food.
Oh, I could use some of that. To be quite honest, my lips are burning. No
Yeah.
flavored jelly, but the other things around it have the flavor. So the jelly's just there for its kind of fun texture, isn't it? Had to break the jelly. Had to break the ice. It's good, Ivana. The raisins are really good.
Nice, right?
It's good to cool your mouth down, like you said,
That's right.
because my mouth's hot.
All right.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Oh, the best hot pot I've ever had.
I just figured out towards the end I was neglecting the tomato broth. I was overusing the spicy broth. That shrimp paste in the tomato broth,
Amazing.
the best thing you could have in your whole life.
So good, so good. Oh, I'm so full now. We probably got just a couple meatballs
A
left.
couple meatballs left.
We clean up the table. It's the best hot pot I've ever had in my life.
So
The
good.
best.
Wow. Xiao Long Kan. What a find.
Ooh.
What a find right here in KL. So
I'm
evidently,
so
there's
full.
one here in KL and there's one in Penang.
That's right.
And that's the only Xiao Long Kans outside of China. Although there is one more in Malaysia. It's same name, different ownership, just a coincidence. Don't get confused. Here in Bukit Bintang or in Penang.
Yeah.
What a place. Evidently, it's the most authentic Chinese place you're gonna find. A lot of Chinese tourists come here because literally all of the decor in the whole place, including the dishes, are imported from China,
Yeah.
which is pretty incredible.
Amazing.
We just stumbled in there, went for a beautiful dinner. I'm so stuffed right now.
Oh, me too.
Oh,
I
that
just want
was
to lay in
such
bed.
good
I
food.
can't even walk home right now.
Oh, that was such good food.
so
What a good
good.
find. What a good find. All because we, in our own way, we knew it was authentic because the front door was so amazing. We were like, look at this place. We gotta check this out.
That's true.
Authentic Chinese hot pot. The best you're gonna find in KL.
Right.
There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. In our next vlog, you'll see us doing something else. I'm not sure what. That was a mistake. Thanks for watching, everybody. You can click below us for our most recent upload and on the left for something else. Please subscribe. Lots more interesting travels to come.
Love you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.